Signed, sealed and delivered. President Biden signing the Respect for Marriage Act during a celebration on the South Lawn at the White House.
Today's a good day. A day America takes a vital step toward equality, toward liberty and justice, not just for some, but for everyone. Everyone. Toward creating a nation where decency, dignity, and love are recognized, honored, and protected. Today, I sign the Respect for Marriage Act into law.
Momentum for the law's passage grew after a Supreme Court decision earlier this year struck down the federal right to abortion, in which Justice Clarence Thomas signaled an openness to reconsidering other settled legal precedents related to rights, such as same-sex marriage or contraception rights, that the court previously ruled enjoyed protections under the Constitution. Biden lauded the legislation as a landmark civil rights bill that honors the courage and sacrifice of generations of couples who fought for marriage equality and equal rights.
Deciding whether to marry, who to marry, is one of the most profound decisions a person can make. And as I've said before, and some of you might remember, on a certain TV show 10 years ago, I got in trouble. Marriage, I mean this with all my heart, marriage is a simple proposition. Who do you love? And will you be loyal with that person you love? It's not more complicated than that. And the law recognizes that everyone should have the right to answer those questions for themselves without the government interference.
In 2004, just 42% of Americans supported same-sex marriage, a figure that today finds itself closer to 70%, a threshold that failed to move a majority of Republican lawmakers to support the legislation.
This is yet another step toward the Democrats' goal of dismantling the traditional family, silencing voices of faith, and permanently undoing our country's God-woven foundation. This is the Democrats' priority. Well, Mr. Speaker, I'll tell you my priority. Protect religious liberty, protect people of faith, and protect Americans who believe in the true meaning of marriage.
Some progressives have argued that the bill doesn't go far enough because it doesn't force states to issue marriage licenses in contravention of state law and includes various religious exemptions. Sherwin Briceby's SABC News, New York.